Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Buying your first rental property is one of the smartest ways to generate passive income and grow your investment portfolio. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step process of buying your first rental property. From getting your finances in order, closing the deal, and preparing for your tenant. Try and listen to this video to the end as I have a bonus tips for you. Let's dive in. Before you start looking at properties, your first step is to get your finances in order. Lenders would want to know that you are financially stable. So you will need to check your credit score, reduce your debt, and save for the down payment. Your initial deposit. In order to stand a chance, you will need a good to an excellent credit score. These may vary from one credit rating agency to the other. In case you have no idea what your credit score is, I will recommend you run it through clearscore.com or creditkarma.com. It is absolutely free. You can check your credit score for free. I wish they are sponsoring this video. ClearScore and Credit Karma, if you're watching, please sponsor me. I am giving you free promotion here. Just enter a few details onto their website and you could actually see your credit score. At least it gives you an idea of your credit score before approaching your banks for finance. Try and reduce any outstanding debt you may have just to give you a good chance. Step 2, research the right market. Now that your finances are in good shape, it is time to find the right market to invest in. So you want to focus on areas with good population growth, strong job market, and good rental value. Look for cities and neighborhoods where rent prices are increasing. You want to invest in areas where people would want to live and where property values are steadily increasing. You can use websites such as Zoopla and Rightmove to give you an understanding of the market trends. And don't forget to factor in things such as taxes, insurance costs, and local regulations. These would have impact on how much profit you would make from your investment properties. Step 3, analyze potential properties. Once you have narrowed down the right market, it is time to analyze potential rental properties. You should be looking at properties where the rent you collect is more than enough to cover all your expenses. This includes the rent you expect to receive minus all of the costs. Mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and a reserve in case of an emergency. It won't be an investment if the rent from the property isn't enough to pay the mortgage, let alone you making a profit or making extra income out of it. So do yourself good and analyze the rental property you want to invest in. Step 4, secure financing. Once you found the property that you like, it is time to secure financing. Most first-time rental property buyers go with a traditional mortgage, but you have other options if you need more flexibility. So speak to your broker as there are several other mortgage finance providers out there. Also, keep in mind that lenders will charge a higher interest and down payment for a rental property. In the UK, for example, it goes between 20 to 25% down payments. Make sure you shop around for the best mortgage terms. Don't forget to factor in closing cost, which can be around 2 to 5% of the purchase price. So it is important that you have enough cash set aside for this. Step 5, close the deal and prepare for tenants. Once your finances is secured and your offer is accepted, your next step is to close the deal. During this time, make sure you go into the property to inspect any hidden issues. And then after closing, you will want to get the property ready for the tenants. Take care of every necessary repairs, upgrade the properties to make it attractive to potential renters. And this is the time to decide if you would like to manage the property yourself or hire it to a property manager. If this is your first rental property, my advice would be to manage it yourself and save some money. But hiring it to a professional property manager will free you some time, especially if you don't live nearby. And finally, my bonus tip: screen tenants carefully. The success of your rental property depends on having good tenants. Make sure to screen your tenant thoroughly. Check their credit scores, verify their income, and ask for reference from previous landlords. A good tenant will pay rent on time, take care of a property, and stay for the long term, which makes managing your rental much easier. Let's quickly recap the steps to buying your first rental property. 1. Get your finances in order and make sure you have the down payment ready. 2. Research the right market with strong rental value. 3. Analyze the potential properties to make sure your rental income is more than your expenses. 4. Secure financing by shopping around for the best mortgage terms. 5. Close the deal and prepare for tenants with any repair or upgrades. Buying your first rental property can be a game changer for your future. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to thumb up, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.